Runswick Bay, a beautiful blue sky, dry, sunny day, cold, windy. And as you can see up there, right up there, I can come closer. Up there's a great big crane and all works. They're building a lovely posh new hotel and eatery. That'll be nice when it gets done. We'll have lovely sea views from the main balconies there. And there it looks as though that little thatched cottage at the end is having work done to it. I always thought it was a grace and favour cottage belonging to the monarchy, but no, can't. I've heard since then it's not. But it's got all scaffolding on and having some work done to it, which is good. Might be getting new thatch. There's plenty here. It's half-term holiday. Got blue sky. Beautiful.